Today's lesson is about how to multiply mixed numbers. We spoke about how to multiply proper fractions in our previous video, which is just to multiply across. So, a half multiplied by a quarter is 1 multiplied by 1, and 2 multiplied by 4. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, and 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. This cannot be simplified, so it is our final answer. Easy, right? It is not as easy when you're multiplying by a mixed number, because there's one additional step that you need to take before you can multiply across. Let's take a look at 3 and a half multiplied by 2 and a quarter. We need to convert our mixed numbers into improper fractions before we can multiply across. To convert a mixed number into improper fraction, we need to multiply the denominator by the whole number, then add the answer we get to the numerator. The answer that you get is your new numerator, and then you just put back the same denominator. Let's practice this. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, and we add 1 to it to make it 7. Our numerator is 7, and we're going to put back our denominator 2. Let's do the next fraction. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. We then add our numerator 1 to make it 9. Our new numerator is 9, and we are going to put back our denominator 4. Now we have 7 over 2 and 9 over 4, or 9/4. Now we can multiply across. 7 multiplied by 9 is 63, and 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. The final step is to convert our improper fraction back into a mixed number, or to simplify if that is possible. We turn an improper fraction into a mixed number by finding out how many times the denominator can go into the numerator. 63 divided by 8 is 7. Our whole number is 7. It leaves a remainder of 7, so our numerator is 7, and we put back our denominator 8. Always remember that how many groups you get is your whole number, and your remainder is your numerator. Then you can just put back your denominator. Let's do another example. 3 and 2/5 multiplied by 2 and 1/6. Let's convert our mixed numbers into improper fractions. 2 operations: multiply, then add. 5 multiplied by 3 is 15, and 15 plus 2 is 17. Let's repeat the steps for our next fraction. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Now we have 17 over 5 multiplied by 13 over 6. Let's multiply across. 17 multiplied by 13 is 221, and 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. Finally, let's convert our improper fraction back to a mixed number for our final answer. 221 divided by 30 is 7, and it leaves a remainder of 11. 7 is our whole number, and our numerator is 11. Then we can just put back our denominator 30. Our final answer is 7 and 11 over 30.